Welcome to the Explainer. Have you ever thought about how you could actually invest in the brands you use every single day? Well, today we're going to break down exactly how you can start buying stocks and owning a piece of those companies, all from the Revolut app.
So let's kick things off with a really powerful idea. Know the brand, own the stock. Think about it for a second. The phone in your hand, that coffee you had this morning, the stores you shop at. Investing lets you own a tiny piece of these huge global companies you already know and, believe in.
And this is what makes investing today so incredibly accessible. You really don't need a huge pile of cash to get started. You can become a part owner in massive brands like Apple or Microsoft, literally for the price of a cup of coffee. It's pretty amazing.
All right, first things first. Before you can jump in and make a trade, you've got to set up your investment account. Don't worry, it's a really straightforward process, and we're going to walk through every step together right now.
See, this setup is super simple. You just need to check a few eligibility boxes, do the application right there in the app, and then Revolut usually gets back to you within a couple of business days. It's that quick.
And now for the really exciting part, making your very first investment. This is that moment where you go from just being a customer to actually becoming an owner. It's a cool feeling.
So let's say your account's been approved and you are ready to go. Let's walk through exactly how you buy that first stock. The whole buying process is boiled down to just 4 little steps. You move money into your investment account, find the stock you're interested in, decide on your amount, and then just give the order a final once-over. It's all designed to be seamless, right inside the app you already use.
Now, all of this is possible because of a fantastic feature called fractional shares. Think about a stock that costs thousands of euros for a single share. You don't need all that cash to invest. Fractional shares let you buy just a small slice, a fraction of one of those shares. So you can start with whatever amount you're comfortable with. It's a total game changer for new investors.
Okay, here's a little pro tip you'll want to keep in mind. Timing really matters. The stock market has specific hours, right? So if you place an order during market hours, which is usually Monday to Friday, it goes through at the current price. But if you place it over the weekend, your order just kind of waits in line to be processed when the market opens back up.
Okay, so now that you know how to buy, let's talk about how you can get a bit more control over your trades. You don't just have to accept whatever the current market price is. You actually have more precise options available.
This is a really key strategic choice you can make. A market order is all about speed. You're basically saying, hey, buy this for me right now at the best price you can find. A limit order, on the other hand, is about precision. You're saying, I only want to buy this if the price drops to a specific level that I set. It gives you a lot more control.
All right, you've placed your order. So, what happens now? Let's take a look at how you can easily track your investments and see how they're doing, all from your portfolio.
The app keeps everything really organized and clear. You can check on any pending orders that are waiting to go through. You can look at a full history of all your past transactions. And of course, you can see all the stocks you currently own in one simple portfolio view.
And hey, there's another way your investments can make you money besides just the stock price going up. It's called dividends. Lots of big, established companies actually share a slice of their profits with their shareholders. You can take that as cash, or, and this is a popular option, you can choose to reinvest it to buy even more stock.
Now, before we wrap up, we've got to talk about something that's absolutely vital to remember. All investing comes with risk. The value of your investments can go down just as easily as they can go up, and you could get back less than you put in. So it is so important to do your own research and always think about your own personal financial situation.
So we've covered the whole process, right? From setting up your account all the way to placing a trade. You now have the tools to get started. But the real journey, that begins with your own research. So the real question is, what company are you going to look into first?